Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English with Muna podcast, where we help you speak English with confidence through simple and real conversations. I'm Muna.
And I'm Mahim. If you want to improve your English step by step, you're in the right place.
Today's topic is very fun and interesting: how to talk about your hobbies in English.
Yes, this is a very common topic in daily conversations. When you meet someone new, they often ask, "What do you do in your free time?" or "What are your hobbies?"
And many English learners get stuck at that moment.
Exactly. They know the word hobby, but they don't know how to explain it clearly.
So today, we'll help you learn simple sentences, useful phrases, and tips to talk about your hobbies naturally. All right, Mahim, how should someone start talking about their hobbies?
The easiest way is to start with a simple sentence like, "My hobby is reading."
That's very easy.
Yes, or you can say, "I enjoy playing football. I like watching movies."
So we can use like, enjoy, or love, right?
Exactly. For example, "I love listening to music."
Simple and natural. No need for difficult grammar. Okay, after saying your hobby, what should we do next?
Next, you should add more details.
Like, what kind of details?
For example, if you say, "I like reading," you can add, "I like reading storybooks and novels."
Oh, that makes it more interesting.
Yes, or if you like sports, "I enjoy playing cricket with my friends in the evening."
That sounds very natural.
The more details you add, the more confident you sound.
All right, what's the next tip?
The third tip is very important. Explain why you like your hobby.
This makes your answer stronger.
Exactly. For example, "I like reading because it helps me learn new things."
Or, I enjoy playing football because it keeps me active and healthy.
Yes, you can also say, "It makes me happy. It helps me relax."
I think this part shows your personality.
Absolutely. It makes your English more meaningful.
Okay, Mahim, what else can we add?
You can talk about when and how often you do your hobby.
Oh, like time.
Yes, for example, "I read books every night before bed."
Or, I play football on weekends.
Exactly. You can also say, "I watch movies in my free time."
This makes your answer complete.
Yes, it gives a clear picture of your routine.
All right, Mahim, let me try to talk about my hobbies.
Go ahead, Muna.
My hobby is watching YouTube videos. I enjoy watching educational and motivational videos. I like it because I can learn new things and improve my skills. I usually watch videos in the evening after my work.
That was excellent. Very clear and natural.
Thank you. It actually feels easy when you follow the steps.
Exactly. Just remember, simple sentences plus small details equals great speaking.
Mahim, I have a question. What if someone asks me about my hobby?
Good question. After answering, you should also ask them a question.
Oh, like a conversation?
Yes. For example, "What about you? What do you like to do in your free time?"
That makes the conversation more natural.
Exactly. English is not just about speaking, it's about communication.
All right, let's move to our vocabulary section.
Great. The first word is hobby.
A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time.
Example, "Reading is my hobby."
Next word is relax.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example, I listen to music to relax.
Another word is free time.
Free time means the time when you are not busy.
Example, "I play games in my free time."
And the last word is active.
Active means moving a lot and staying healthy.
Example, playing sports keeps me active.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. First, start with a simple sentence about your hobby.
Second, add details about what you do.
Third, explain why you like it. Fourth, talk about when and how often you do it. And finally, ask a question to continue the conversation.
And that's the end of today's episode on the English with Muna podcast.
We hope this helps you talk about your hobbies more confidently in English.
Now it's your turn. Try to describe your hobby in 4 to 5 sentences.
Practice speaking every day. Even small practice makes a big difference.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe to English with Muna, and share it with your friends.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Until next time, happy learning.